Alright, we're at the Pismo Beach pier here on a Sunday. It is fairly busy. All the restaurants are absolutely packed. And we're gonna go take a walk down the pier. Looks like there's a couple small food trucks on the pier, and we're gonna go see what's available. And they got a really nice big Pismo Beach sign.
Today is Sunday, so it's a lot of people. I don't know if it's every day the same or just because today is Sunday.
It's pretty nice and not too windy for early February in Pismo.
Yeah, it's
70
beautiful.
degrees and hardly any wind.
Yep.
Look how busy that restaurant is.
The restaurant is a line. And I don't have patience to wait. We are at Pismo Beach Pier, watching the surfers. They're big wave, but a beautiful day. Beautiful sunny day here. And watching the surfers. That's another huge one. Wow, I like that one. We are leaving the pier. We are going on the busy restaurant to see what they got. Let's see what food they have in here. Original accepted. They're cooking there, and you can eat it. Hello.
Thank you. Alright, we are here at the Oceano Dunes. Most people know it as the Pismo Beach, where you can drive on the beach. It's about 5 or 6 miles long, and it's a fun time, sort of an interesting experience. There's not a lot of beaches in California you can drive on, and here you can drive on it, you can camp, you can go four-wheeling, ATVing, popular, fishing.
It's a windy day today, and a lot of people got stuck, and we're laughing at them, but a week ago, 2 weeks ago, we got stuck too on the way to Reno. So let's go see what we can do here today.
Hey babe.
Hey, are you having fun driving, kid?
I am having fun.
Ben is driving on the beach. Look at him. He's having fun. This park where you can drive on the beach. And we're not the only crazies. There is more. So let's go drive to see what else is there. Look at Ben driving on the sand, on the beach. And there's a lot of people on the beach driving. And there is a lot of people with the RVs. Look at that, they're stopping. And they're playing with the ATVs on the dirt, and they are camping and eating. Good thing I'm not hungry because I didn't see anything as a food to buy in here. If you don't bring your own, you can be starving on the beach. Good place, and I'm sure it's nice to stay here overnight or at least for the sunset. But we have to go.
Off in the distance there is Pismo Beach, and the beach you can drive on in Oceano. And we came a little bit further north, and this area is called Shell Beach, I think. Really pretty area.
Yes, we're at the
Monarch Butterfly Grove in
Grove.
Pismo Beach, and it is the end of the season, which they migrate from Mexico up to California, and I think maybe up into Canada, but
in
February is the end of the season. There's just a couple of them behind us here.
Can you see them?
And they are beautiful. Love looking at the monarch butterflies.
How's your food, baby?
Good, baby. It's a nice chunky clam chowder. It's a little bit spicy. It's really good though. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we visit Morro Bay and find some sea otters playing in the surf.